Shout out to Gizmodo.com for this one. Kind of crazy, right? Because we haven't heard nothing about this in a long time. But it appears to be that there's a refresh or a fresh update, whatever you want to call it, to Google Glass. Well, it's been a long time since we actually really talked about Google Glass, but apparently it's back and it's dubbed Glass Enterprise Edition 2, according to Gizmodo. I'm kind of checking here to see if there's anything that's been different or changed about this version of Google Glass compared to the last one. Now, it is using the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR1, and it seems here that they're also talking about that it now has a Type-C port for, I guess, charging. And I'm not seeing anything that talks about battery or any of that stuff, but it's kind of crazy that this has been around. And you know what? Google Glass has been out of the picture for a long time. But one thing that did catch my eye about it, though, was that it's going for about $1,000. That's absolutely crazy. $1,000 for a pair of glasses. So now you get to sit with the decision whether you guys want to buy a $1,000 smartphone, a $1,000 2-in-1 tablet slash, laptop, Chromebook, whatever, or some eyewear. I mean, granted, Google Glass was really exciting, being able to see things. And I think one of the main things that I really liked about Google Glass when they first mentioned it years ago was the fact that if I went to a certain place and was looking to buy a certain item, and I was talking with the representative and he was telling me that the price for this certain item was X amount of dollars, Google Glass can smartly scour the internet and find me the best deals by giving me the places that have that particular same item for less. I think that's probably one of the things that, if Google Glass was price-wise accessible to everybody, that's probably one of the things I would definitely use it for, is to find me the best bargains, the best deals. But I mean, there's so much more you could do with it, recording video and just basically being able to link yourself to the internet and be able to see what you need to see with that little window that you can see things through. Yes, it still looks dorky. Yes, there's all those things involved, and the price is pretty freaking high just for what it is. But I mean, hey, it's great to see that Google Glass is still around and that they're refreshing it. Obviously, this is supposed to be, they're focusing on it being more business enterprise. So that's going to be kind of, weird to see how that's going to fit in. But I mean, I have a few ideas how it would fit in. But nonetheless, hopefully they don't make it where it's just set for enterprise use only and that consumers can't actually take advantage of it. Because that would be really nice to be able to actually use one. But again, the price, though, that's the only thing that I can't really put myself past, is the price. $1,000 for a pair of tech glasses. I mean, these things, in my opinion, I would compare them to Snapchat's little spectacles that, yes, Google Glass is like 10 times smarter than that. But, I mean, still, novelties at its best. So let me know what you guys think about Google Glass. If you guys heard about its refreshed version coming out, tell me your ins and outs. If you like it, if you don't, if you're gonna get it, I really would love to know what you guys think about it. Thanks for checking out this quick little video, and as always,